Good morning, hope everyone's doing well. We're still in the lovely Zante to Tsilivi, and we're going to take a little wander around the streets in the town park and show you Wagwan. Hope everyone's doing well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if you're enjoying the content. It means everything. So we did venture out. Morning. We did venture out last night. We went into here and watched the football and had a few beers. It's nice to see it during the day. And when we reached here yesterday, we went to the beach, so there will be some beach footage. I took like a little stroll along. Saw this one last night, very pretty. So that's Anna's kitchen. Oh, a little tavern there. So I had to buy some little souvenirs, some pretty jewellery. There we go. We little trinkets. So there's the price, $2.90. Got your magnets. There it goes, quite high up. Morning. I'm good, thank you. So yeah, so reasonably priced again if you've been to sort of souvenir shops in Europe. And you know, most of them are quite relatively cheap. Some of the products last longer, but support that counts. But sometimes those little trinkets you get on holiday can be, you know, your favourite thing. So there's a little bakery there, really nice. We had got some donuts from there. I went to that little supermarket. I'm not going to pronounce it because I do not speak Greek. And last night, because typical, after we went to Joker's, and there was an Elvis impersonator, but he was more of a comedian, which is good because I'm not a huge Elvis fan. I like his music and, you know, whatever, but I'm not there to really sit and watch an Elvis all night. But this one was quite good because he was more of a comedian, which made it a lot better, but he just happened to be dressed as Elvis. So we've got scoop ice cream. We went there last night, Gyroland. Had a halloumi wrap and it was really nice. I Heart Palladium. Very nice, very Greek. See that plane up there? I can't see him on this one, but there is a little bar called, I think it's literally called the airport. No, that might be wrong. Don't quote me on that, I'll try to figure it out. Hopefully can put something above this section so I don't sound insane. But anyway, between Kalamaki and I believe Laganas, you could go there and watch all the planes. So if that is something you're into, definitely recommend that. Got a fish bar, they seem to be everywhere. I wonder if you've actually ever had a fish bar. I never have, it's not really something that appeals to me. But I know lots of people go in there and they're everywhere, so there's also a market for it. Is it worth it? I sound a little out of breath because we're sort of slowly going up. It is a gradual hill, so priced yet. It's a little bit more hillier than where we were the first few days, which was Zakynthos. Car rental. Well, that's quite a fun little one. So yeah, you can obviously, lots of people get quads here. Scooters are the cheapest, but they say, be careful because the roads here get quite slippery in the heat. Sports bar. Really nice and big, this one. Loads of screens. Another restaurant across the road. Okay, some studios down there. So yeah, if you just tuned in, welcome back to the channel. It's Bug One Tours. We go on holidays and we show you guys what we enjoy, what you can get, and hopefully it's something that inspires you to book a plane and come on over. And we're in Zante, Tsilivi. We're just taking a morning walk around just to see what there is. Yesterday we did like a little bit of the beach. So you got mini golf, fantasy mini golf. So let's have a look. So €8, 18 hole course, €5, 9 hole course. Says it's the biggest and best in Greece. That's the statement. It's got a little bar with slushies as well. These are really popular, these slushy bars, and I usually find they're really cheap. I think anything over like €5-7, you're probably paying a little bit more out of pocket, but I suppose maybe stronger alcohol, but yeah, most of them I've seen are around that price. There's a really cheap one in Albufeira, which is like €5. Really, really good. Do check out that content if you are looking to go to Portugal. We've got Albufeira and Faro. Albufeira is really fantastic. And you've got like a little arcade section down there, so it's quite fun actually. So if you've got younger kids or couple, friends and stuff, something to do for the day, reasonably priced. Got gluten-free there as well. So that's fantasy mini golf. Alright, let's keep going. Oh, they do soft ice cream for €3. Really good. Might have to treat Kurt to a date night there. There we go, museum. They want to see a little bit of history. Almost surrounded by olive trees. Obviously, Greece is famous for their olives. If you do come here, definitely try. You can't beat it. The olive oil, the olives, they're my favourite of any olives I've tried. Don't know what it is here, but they are fantastic. There we go. A little takeaway, little bakery. Morning. Milo's pub. Chairs are quite fancy. Doesn't look like this one's open yet. Lots of bikes everywhere. Greek traditional food, nano. Nice. If you can see that. I always say just have a quick look on Google as well. So we got a pool bar. So that is Pasquina. Open to all pool bar. Should we have a quick look? We'll cross over and have a quick look. Show you guys. That's the whole point of the channel. So let's wait for these cars. So it is along sort of busiest road, busiest. So I'm tired. We're on like day 4 or 5 now, guys, and it's been a fun holiday, but as always, the sleep deprivation and the long days in the sun are catching up. So let's take a look. So you can park, looks like shading parking as well. You've got lounges on the grass. Nice little decking. Morning. Just come to have a look, see what the pool's like.
Yeah. What are you doing?
What are the prices?
Are you videoing?
Yes.
It's private.
Oh, okay. What are the prices?
Minimum spend is 15 euros per person.
15 per person, and then that gives you access all day.
Yeah.
That's not
Minimum
bad.
spending.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Cheers. So yeah, that's a really good price. That's probably one of the cheapest ones we've actually seen. We went to one in Tenerife and that was 100, so
A lot different.
yeah, a lot different. So there you go, 15 euros per person, and you get to stay there all day. Bargain. Right, let's keep going. Again, very pretty. There we go. My heart Tsilivi. Nice little square. And then you've got a pool bar, breakfast, lunch all day, lovely. Laundry service and a walk and roll. So yeah, a lot of these places you can do use the pools and stuff, which is nice. So if your complex or apartment doesn't have any, it's nice so you've got an option. Look at all the roses on there, really pretty. Yeah, so it's just nice to know that you've got an option. And you know, I do like the beach and the beautiful water here, but the sand is irritating. Oh, lemon tree over there. The only thing I get quite envious of is the ability to be able to grow so much produce. I love citrus, lemon, lime, orange, and they get to grow all of that here. I love olives. And obviously in the UK, good luck trying to grow a lemon tree in your back garden. Obviously, can be done, but the average person, no. Another little shop there, clothes, souvenirs. Car rental. And a tattoo. So if you want to get a tattoo but you don't want to commit for life, it's always good. I love henna art. And they do hair wraps as well. Henna's really good for your hair. I usually use it at home as well. I add it sort of like to my conditioners, deep conditioners. So it's nice to know that you can get a treatment. Bus stop, bus timetable. Let me just do the QR code there for you. So if you're on the island, you do want to get around by bus, hopefully that helps. Look at that blue one. Car that is. Morning. Parking for, I guess, in this complex. So that was yesterday. Don't know who's playing football today. It's Sunday, so it might not be any football today. Gift store, glasses. Let's give you guys a price range. So we always look for polarized because obviously you want to be protected. And these ones are about 20 euros, which isn't really too bad, especially knowing that your eyes will be protected. This one doesn't say polarized. And it's 12 euros, so it's about 6-7 euros difference. These ones are about 7. They all vary in price. Ooh. like I said, we like to go for the ones that are polarised. I'm currently wearing ones from Primark, Rita Auras, and they are polarised, but they were from the UK. They're about £7. Okay, so we just had a little wander around the little area to Tsilivi. Hope everyone's enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like and subscribe, really does mean everything. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the Wagwan family, and we'll see you on the next one.